Hello kids, today we will learn English alphabet A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.